Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on how to purchase a commercial Verify report. Let's get started. First, make sure that you're logged in and go into the Product and Services tab, where you can find the Verify report subsection. Click into that and then scroll down to select a report type, either homeowner or commercial. I'll be selecting commercial. Here you fill out the short form with the requested information, including project name, street address, and the asset type. Then you can click Proceed to Checkout to go to the checkout page, where you will be prompted to enter your credit card information in order to pay for the report. After you've successfully inputted your information, you will go to the receipt page where you can click View Report to open the Verify report. Once it loads, you'll see that the Verify report will show you a summary of all of the incentives available for your property, as well as a map and the different categories of incentives available. Scrolling down, you'll be able to see different filters in order to narrow down the list of incentives to ones that are more applicable to your property. For example, I might be interested in Southern California Edison as a utility for an HVAC project on an existing building. And as you can see, that yields three incentives, including this one for multifamily. Clicking into it, you can get more information in this side panel. You can also favorite incentives to see them later. Or if you need help applying, you can click here to try our apply services, where we can apply to these incentives for you. Simply fill out this short form and a member of our team will get back to you promptly. Thank you for watching this tutorial and stay tuned for many more videos from IncentiFind.